Welcome to our latest video where we will be discussing the top 5 best air compressors of 2024. This year has seen some incredible advancements in air compressor technology, and we're excited to share our findings with you. We've conducted extensive research and testing to bring you the most reliable and efficient models on the market. Stay tuned till the end as we reveal an air compressor that has a unique feature you wouldn't want to miss. For more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates. Enjoy the video. Number 5. The California Air Tools Cat 1 P1060S Air Compressor. Number 4. The Porter-Cable CMB15 Oil-Free Air Compressor. Number 3. The DEWALT DWFP55126 Pancake Air Compressor. Number 2. The Craftsman CMEC 6150K Air Compressor. Number 1. The Makita Mac 2400 Big Bore Air Compressor.